Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will show you how to manage users within Xero. So starting on the dashboard screen, what we want to do is click on your company name and click on settings. This will bring up all of the settings, and under here we can see the general settings and our users. So we want to click on users. From here, we can see all the users that have access to Xero. We can also see what type of access they have. Now, we have two options. We can add Xero support. This is really helpful. It doesn't add any costs, and it does mean that if you have any issues with your Xero account, Xero support will be able to jump straight in and have a look for you. So I do recommend clicking add Xero support when you have an account. If you're just looking to add another user though, you can click invite a user. What you then need to do is fill in their first and last name and then the email address that they want to access Xero through. And then you can choose what type of permissions they need to be granted. If you have project settings, you can click on this one and you can go between the limited, standard and admin access. Each of these access types will grant the user with specific access. Do have a read of what the access differences are to make sure you choose the right one. And then payroll admin, you can click on this one. Business and accounting, similarly, you have invoice only access, standard access, advisory, and read only. Again, do read through the differences between these and ask your accountant for further advice if you're not sure what type of access to grant someone. And you can also personalize the invite if you want with a nice message. Once you are happy with all this information has been filled in, you can just click send invite. And then what will happen is the user will have an email in their mailbox. The new user will then need to go to their emails and grant themselves access through the approval process from Xero. They'll have to set up multi-authentication authority, and this will allow them access to Xero. And there you have it. That is how you grant access to someone to your Xero account. I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and follow along for more Xero helpful tips. See you at the next one.